Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to automatically highlight data based on rules. I'll be working with a small sample dataset so you can follow along easily. First, I open my Google Sheet and select the range of data I want to format. Then I go to the Format menu at the top and click on Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen. Now I set a rule, for example. I choose greater than and type 50 to highlight all numbers above 50. I also pick a custom fill color so the highlighted cells stand out. Once I click Done, the changes are applied instantly. I can add more rules if I want, for example, highlighting cells less than 20 in red or equal to 100 in green. Finally, I close the conditional formatting panel, and my sheet now visually emphasizes important values without me having to check each cell. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe for more screen recording tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.